This Keaty Real Estate, LLC property video is presented by Matthew Del Cambri. Seller offering $9,000 toward buyer closing costs. Experience luxury and low maintenance living in this custom-built patio home, thoughtfully designed in 2018 by seasoned home builders as their personal residence. Every detail was carefully selected to create a home that is both elegant and highly functional. One of the home's standout features is the private guest suite, offering approximately 335 square feet of living space with its own entrance, full kitchen, and full bath, perfect for extended family, guests, or multi-generational living. A welcoming courtyard separates the guest suite from the main home and creates an incredible outdoor entertaining space complete with a built-in gas grill, sink, and plenty of room to relax. Just beyond, you'll find a low-maintenance turfed backyard for year-round enjoyment. Inside, the open-concept living area is filled with natural light and features an electric fireplace, spacious dining area, and a stunning chef's kitchen with dual islands, abundant custom cabinetry, and a hidden prep pantry for additional storage and workspace. The spacious primary suite offers a true retreat with a spa-inspired bath featuring dual vanities, a soaking tub, oversized walk-in shower, private water closet, and 2 custom walk-in closets, including one with a center island, a secondary bedroom with a private ensuite bath, oversized laundry room with utility sink, and attached 2-car garage complete this exceptional home. High-end